In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in WebEx. This process is simple and will enhance your meetings by engaging participants effectively. Let's dive in. First, launch WebEx on your device. You can find the application in your programs or desktop. Once you click on it, the application opens up, displaying the familiar interface. If a login prompt appears, enter your credentials to access your account. This is important because it ensures that you have the right permissions to create and manage polls in your meetings. Remember, logging in properly keeps your account secure. Next, click on the meetings icon on the left sidebar. This icon typically looks like a calendar or a meeting room. Once you select it, your scheduled meetings will be displayed on the screen. This step is crucial because it allows you to navigate directly to the meeting where you want to create the poll. You can see upcoming meetings and choose the one you wish to work with. From there, click on Start. This button is prominently displayed and will initiate your chosen meeting. After you click it, you will enter the meeting room. Starting the meeting is essential as it opens up all functionalities, including the ability to create polls. You'll be able to interact with your participants more effectively once the meeting begins. Now select Start a WebEx meeting. This option allows you to create a new meeting if you are not joining an existing one. After clicking this, you'll be prompted to set up your meeting details. This is significant because it gives you control over how your meeting will run and who can participate. At this point, set up the audio and video, then click Start Meeting. You will usually see options for your microphone and camera. Adjust these settings to ensure clear communication. This step is critical, as good audio and video quality contribute to a better meeting experience. Once you're ready, clicking Start Meeting will launch your session. Next up, click the three-dot icon at the bottom right of your screen. This icon typically represents additional options. When you click it, a menu will pop up with various functionalities for your meeting. This is where you find tools to enhance your meeting, including the option to create polls. It's a handy feature that streamlines the process. After that, select Slido, which is labeled as Slido DCO Polls and Q&A, from the list of available applications and click Open. A dedicated sidebar panel will instantly slide open on the right-hand side of your screen. Slido is an integrated tool that allows you to create interactive polls and manage Q&A sessions seamlessly. This integration helps in boosting participant engagement during your meetings. Now click the plus icon labeled Add and choose the question format that best fits your goal. You will see several options to select from, such as multiple choice, word cloud, or open text. Choosing the right format is important because it determines how participants will respond and interact with your poll. For example, if you select multiple choice, it's ideal for voting on specific options or answers. If you choose word cloud, it will display popular single-word answers in a dynamic visual bundle. Open text allows participants to type out custom, long-form paragraph responses. Each format serves a different purpose, so pick one that meets your needs. Next, type your question directly into the poll question text box. Make sure your question is clear and concise to encourage participation. This is crucial, as a well-formulated question can significantly impact the quality of responses you receive. Finally, if using multiple choice, enter your answer options in the fields below it. Click Add option if you need more choices. This step is essential to ensure that participants have a range of responses to choose from. By providing multiple options, you can gather more detailed feedback from your audience. Following these steps will empower you to create effective polls in WebEx. Engaging your audience in this way can lead to more productive meetings. Thank you for watching and happy polling!